By request, let's make a miniature clothing rack. I cut a long rectangle of cardboard. Cover it with wood paper. I paint some paper straws black. I cover 2 more small pieces of cardboard with wood. I cut and glue the straws between the 2 smaller pieces, and the uncut straw on the other side, and 4 large painted beads on the bottom. Glue another straw across the top. Let's make a clothing rack. Board. Paint it. Glue a piece of white wire to the back to make hangers. Go on the clothing rack.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and tell us what you thought and what kind of videos you want to see. Also follow us on Instagram. See you next time. Natasha?
What, Icicle?
Can we play a game?
Icicle, I'm drawing.
Please!
Fine, hide and seek. I'm it.
1, 2. You'll never find me here. I didn't know I was that good at hiding. You're drawing!
You were just too hard to find, Icicle.
Hump!